So I wanted to quickly just come on here to share a fairly new feature. It's fairly powerful. It actually lets you personalize your story prompts at scale for each recipient. So rather than having to create a unique prompt for everyone, you can essentially make it seem as if your prompt that you shared is personalized to whoever you sent it out to. This is great if you're using a CRM. So for example, if you're sending a bulk campaign to multiple recipients, you can essentially inject their name into that URL of the story prompt, and it will customize what that prompt looks like for each recipient. So I'll show you how this works. So when you're building your prompt or editing a prompt, historically you would add some like a text to your prompt, something like, hey, how are you? Whatever, I don't know, whatever you want to say. And that would be pretty generic across the board for every single recipient. But now we've introduced the ability to add a merge tag. So the merge tag looks something like this, where it's two curly braces at the start and at the end. And then this pipe means that if there's no first name, then the fallback would be that string there, or this set of characters. So it could be hi, I don't know, hi yo, hi you, whatever. You can change it to anything you want, but we'll just do hi there. Send us a review. And you'll see here it looks like, obviously, that's how the text looks. But when it actually gets sent out to your recipient, the first name gets replaced with the value that you provide. So if I now save this and I go into the prompt, you'll see that where it said hello, first name there, send us a review, it replaces that with there because there's no variable that's been added to replace the first name. But if we wanted to make this more personalized, we can essentially just go hello name, Gavin, or John, I don't know, John Smith. And then it replaces the text in your prompt with whatever value you provide in the URL. So what you can do is you can essentially change these last sort of characters to whoever you're sending that video to. So like I said before, if you're doing a bulk campaign, you just basically set it up to a merge tag in your CRM. And when the prompt goes out, you just insert the name of the person and it'll customize it. If the name isn't provided, obviously it just falls back to hello there. So it's a really great way just to personalize your prompts at scale. I'm going to put a link below to the article that shows you how to do this in more detail, but really keen to hear feedback. Would love to hear how we can make this feature better. We are planning to make it more user-friendly on the front end too, so you can kind of insert the merge tags here if you wanted to as well. But really keen to hear your thoughts. Yeah, thanks.